Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you are a beginner, a professional photographer, or just love flying drones, this list has something for everyone. We will cover specs, features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts to help you choose the perfect drone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let us get started. Number 1. P7 MAX High-End Professional GPS Drone 8K. High-end GPS drone with 8K camera, screen remote control with 20-kilometer digital image transmission, brushless motor for smoother flight, designed for professional photography and videography. The P7 MAX delivers stunning 8K video quality and smooth aerial shots thanks to its brushless motors. The 20-kilometer transmission range is impressive, perfect for long-distance flying and FPV experiences. Pros: ultra-high-resolution 8K camera, long-range transmission 20 kilometers, professional-grade brushless motors, ideal for professional drone users or enthusiasts wanting high-quality footage. Number 2. New D12 GPS Drone 3-axis gimbal 8K HD camera. 3-axis gimbal for stable shooting, touchscreen remote control, FPV obstacle avoidance technology, 8K HD professional camera. The D12 GPS drone stands out for its stability and obstacle avoidance, making it beginner-friendly yet professional enough for aerial photographers. The touchscreen remote simplifies controls so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, easy-to-use touchscreen remote, advanced obstacle avoidance, perfect for intermediate users who want professional quality shots without complicated controls. Number 3. Wing 6 GPS Aerial Photography Fishing Drone 8K. 8K camera with aerial photography support, anti-strong wind design, obstacle avoidance and one-key return, 360-degree rotation and 800-meter control distance. The Wing 6 drone is great for outdoor enthusiasts, especially those interested in fishing or aerial photography. It handles strong winds well and has a convenient one-key return for safety. Pros: strong wind resistance, long control range, 800 meters, ideal for outdoor and fishing use. Excellent choice for hobbyists and outdoor explorers. Number 4. V168 MAX GPS Drone Professional 8K Camera. Professional 8K aerial camera, brushless motors for smooth flight, large screen remote control, folding and portable design with obstacle avoidance. The V168 MAX is a foldable, high-performance drone with a large screen remote. Its obstacle avoidance and 8K camera make it great for professional aerial videography and casual users alike. Pros: foldable and portable, brushless motors for smooth flight, large screen remote for FPV. A professional yet portable option for serious drone photographers. Number 5. Teeggi SG909 MAX GPS Drone 4K Camera. 4K camera with 6-kilometer range, touchscreen RC control, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, foldable quadcopter design. The Teeggi SG909 MAX is a reliable mid-range drone with solid 4K footage. Its foldable design and 360 obstacle avoidance make it beginner-friendly and versatile for travel. Pros: foldable and easy to carry, good obstacle avoidance system, 6-kilometer control range. Perfect for beginners or casual users looking for a versatile drone. All of these drones offer unique features, from the highest quality 8K cameras to beginner-friendly obstacle avoidance. If you want the highest quality, go with the P7 MAX or V168 MAX. For beginners or casual users, the Teeggi 909 MAX or Wing 6 is ideal. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite drone today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top tech reviews.